entrepreneur, blogger, celebrity, model. These words can describe her, but it sure won't give her justice. Today, Chinoy Barkada let us all witness how this extraordinary woman came to be who she is. Hear her share stories only few people know, and stay tuned as she tells us the thing closest to her heart. Chinoy Barkada, Miss Divine Lee.
Multitasking in one word is time. Kasi I started working very early. I started working at 14. So, with that, I had to do school, I had to work all at the same time. So, parang ngayon, na-master ko na yung art ng multitasking, na I'm able to do a lot of things nang sabay-sabay without losing concentration. So, I guess that's also one of the reasons why I can do different industries like fashion, construction, I do pa social events, and now I'm doing TV. Nang all at the same time nga. I started working ng 14 because my dad's very strict. And then, nilagay niya ako sa Brev. So, of course, you have a lot of classmates na medyo mayaman, marami silang things, marami silang luxuries in life. So, halimbawa, hihingi ako, ayaw niya akong bigyan. So, I had to work my way. Halimbawa, I want a new bag, kailangan ko magtrabaho. And the first thing that's really, really easy for me was modeling. Life in Hong Kong wasn't easy. I went to Hong Kong. I started working as a model. Pero I needed extra money to actually live there kasi medyo mahal yung lifestyle doon. So, ginawa ko, nag-buy and sell ako. Like, I would buy things there and sell it here in Manila. Hanggang eventually, dun talaga mas lumaki yung business through buy and sell. First with bags, shoes. Eventually, nagbebenta na ako ng cellphone sa Green Hills. I have a construction firm. It's called Jagna Stand. We design and we do mass housing. But ngayon, we're concentrated on doing townhouses and small developments na sa amin talaga. So yun, yun talaga yung main industry ko if you really think about it. That's where I really, really enjoy and spend most of my time sa construction. A lot of people would always say that construction is hard because nga, plagued by man. But, I wouldn't use the word plague. I would use the word blessed. Pag babae ka, mas may special attention ka nga dahil, you tend to be different. And sometimes, I use the stereotypes as a good thing for me. Kasi they would think na babae, walang alam yan. But, if you know your cemento, your steel, you know everything sa books mo, then you don't have a problem. It can even be a positive thing. So, baliktarin na lang natin yon. Parang use it to your advantage na iilan lang kayong babae na nasa industry na yon. Being a Chinoy, it's hard kasi for me because I don't speak the language. But I guess, you already have this comfort level when you're dealing with other Chinoys. So, I guess yun talaga yung nakahelp sa akin is the trust and confidence with each other and the community. So, I guess that's it. Parang may connection ka agad because the Chinoy community is very tight-knit. Actually, I have a lot of advocacies and charities. For me, kasi charity starts in your own backyard. So, bakit pa ako titingin na malayo kung yung mga mismong tao sa bahay ko hindi ko naman naaalagaan? And then last is the organ donor card, which is my, parang, I guess, the closest to my heart because just recently, my aunt died, and she's been needing a kidney for about a good 14 years battle yon. And I feel na with this card, maraming tao hindi pagdanasan yung pinagdanasan ng pamilya namin. My greatest accomplishment, well, it's yet to see, but I guess when you're talking about business and everything, I still have a lot of plans for myself and for everything, my charities. But I guess the biggest accomplishment is when I look at the mirror, I'm happy to see that person. Wala akong kinakahiya, wala akong regrets. I'm happy na parang wala akong tinapakan na tao. Inside, I know na parang naging mabuti ako sa kaya ko. Wala akong tinapakan. Never ko naman kinahiya yung mga mali kong ginawa. Ang dami kong networking na sinalihan ng bata ako na hindi nag-work, maybe because I didn't work hard enough. But sa akin kasi with any failure, it's just a step to success. Whatever success you get, kung family yan, or business yan, or kahit anong relationship yan, ang babae dapat should stand for the heart of the family, or the business, or any relationship. Worship Divinely, and you're watching Chinoy TV.
I think the first thing that I'd like to do is to make sure that they have the correct definition